Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips.
Hello Excelers, welcome to my next video. Today we're going to look at using flash fill in Excel, and what we're going to do is quickly extract the initials from my salesperson field. Instead of manually typing them in, we can use a feature available from Excel 2013 onwards called flash fill. What flash fill does is it takes the first few cells of your data. Once you start typing it in, it recognizes a pattern and it will flash fill the rest of the data set in for you once it sees a pattern. So if you've not used flash fill before, as I said, it's available from Excel 2013 onwards, and it should be in your data tab and in your data tools group. This little icon here is your flash fill. If you haven't got flash fill, then it may not be enabled. It should be, but if it's not, you can go into File, Options, Advanced, and in Editing Options, just make sure that automatically flash fill is ticked. Tick it if it's not and hit OK. So once you start entering the first few cells of data that you want, Excel should pick up the pattern and offer to pre-fill the rest of your data set in. So in this case, in this example, I want to extract the initials from my salesperson field. So let's go ahead and type the first few values, which are JF, SJ, and has pre-filled in the rest of our data set. So that's saved me manually typing in all of these initials. So this is great if you want to extract the person's first name, second name, you have some data tidy up to do, any repetitive action that there may be a pattern to, Excel should pick up with flash fill. So there is an alternative way to do this. If you are a fan of shortcut keys, start typing the first couple of cells again, select your data, hit Control-E. Excel will also pre-fill that in for you with a shortcut. So let's go through the shortcut again. So with the shortcut, if you type the first few, if you type the first couple of cells, select your data set, hit Control-E, it'll pre-populate it for you. So that's it. That's how to use the flash fill in Excel. Give it a go. It should save you a lot of time. Really good for data cleansing or splitting text, or populating patterns of data that are quite repetitive. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ask a question, leave a comment. It all really does help the channel, and I'll see you next time for another Excel video.